Hello and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this video we'll be learning some longer phrases. We'll be linking up new words with words that we have already learnt in previous videos. We hope you enjoy it. Yes.
是
Yes.
是
No.
不是
No.
不是
One day.
一天
One day.
一天
2 days.
两天
2 days.
两天
6 days.
六天
6 days.
六天
Today.
今天
Today.
今天
Yesterday.
昨天
Yesterday.
昨天
Tomorrow.
明天
Tomorrow.
明天
Today is Monday.
今天是星期一
Today is Monday.
今天是星期一
Today is Tuesday.
今天是星期二
Today is Tuesday.
今天是星期二
Tomorrow it will be July.
明天就是7月
Tomorrow it will be July.
明天就是7月
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, why not check out our website www.superspeakjuniors.com. Bye!